Every woodworker knows that the bane of a woodworker's existence is temperature and relative humidity.
Climate makes it so easy not having to show up on site to get a Bluetooth reading every day after day or week after week.
Every general contractor will tell you that their site is climate controlled and the project is on schedule. But if you don't have something on site or a person on site monitoring it at all times, it's pretty hard to believe them.
I think it wasn't until we put your climate sensor in that we finally got them to bite on and look at those graphs and say, there is a problem here.
Climate allows us to proactively monitor those job sites before we get on site, while we're on site, and after we leave a site. It was so easy to get Climate implemented into our day-to-day workflow.
Get into the project app, set your project up, come to site, mount your sensor, then scan the sensor into the system, and you're up and running in a matter of minutes. You get to pick what you want to see in that report and then generate that report. You pick the time frame, it emails it to you, you send it off to your GC.
If you're a woodworker and you know that you've got temperature and relative humidity problems, you need to check out Climate.